Hello, my name is Lina Maria Calvache Ramirez. I am in 4th semester. I'm 18 years old. I'm a student bachelor in foreign languages, and this is my video of my daily routine. In this video, talking about of my daily routine, and this video is a part on activity number 1 of the course English 4th. So go ahead. Okay, my daily routine. All my days are very similar. The same routine, but different experience. In the morning, I wake up at 6 or 30 a.m. I get off of the bed, brush my teeth, I pray of thank God. I take a shower and put on my clothes to go to work. Sorry. When I walk about 4 blocks to work, walk up the stairs, greet my friends at work, and turn off the coffee machine. I start cutting the cheese to make the breakfast, and I bring breakfast to everyone and pick up the dishes from the office and wash them. Then I clean the whole office. After, I will go to the bank and watch my eyes for the possible types in the way. I go back to the work and go home for lunch, and at 2 p.m. we go back to the work. In the afternoon, I turn off the refrigeration and turn off the coffee machine again. And most of the afternoon, I go to the company's archive and start to the files. And finally, at the 6 p.m. in the afternoon, I leave work. My boyfriend picks me up in his car, and we go to eat something. We share together, and then I go to the gym. I lift weights and I do cardio. I walk back to my home. I take off my clothes, my coats, and get ready to sleep. I go to the bed between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. And this is my daily routine. It's very similar all the days, but the experience and my life, my happiness is different every day. And this is all. Thank you for watching.